baby, don't check for me. Taking time out to be and live my life off screen.
Today is Tuesday. I just put out a new vlog and my friend called me at the last minute to go to a wine tasting. We're gonna go to a wine tasting at Cooper's Hawk. So I didn't have time to like do my hair. I barely had time to do my makeup. So that's her call. Hey.
What's going on with you?
She like a dude, y'all.
Don't be telling people I'm like a dude. I'm checking on you.
What's up with you? Hey y'all, so I just met my friend Tamika here at Cooper's Hawk. We're gonna go to a wine tasting, so I'll see you guys inside.
It all depends. Like this is the variety of the wines that I can get on the wine club membership. However, some of the Lux, are really good, then that's an upcharge. But of course, this is one of my favorites, the Nightjar. Isn't it good? I like the sweet red. However, it's a little too sweet. But the Cooper Hawks, this one right here is really good. This one is a really, really good one.
I really enjoyed the Nightjar. So if you guys have a Cooper's Hawk in your area, y'all have to get you a glass of Nightjar just to try it. But you'll end up buying the bottle because it's so good. She is a part of the wine club, so she gets, how many bottles do you get?
6, 7, 8, 9. So here's the 2 Nightjars. Sweet red, below the belt. Wine of the month for this month. Last month's wine of the month.
That's the one this is the one that we just had.
We got February's, we got April's, we got Scarletto, and Prosecco. Let's do this.
Hey y'all, so we're done with the wine tasting. It was so much fun. We had a lot of fun and I ended up getting the Caesar salad and the salmon, but it was really nice. We couldn't do the actual wine tasting because you had to make a reservation for the wine tasting, and she didn't know that. But it was time for her to pick up her wine because she's a wine club member here at Cooper's Hawk. So what we did was we just sat at the bar and the girl treated it just like it was a wine tasting. Like, she let us try different wines and it was really nice. And I tried this one wine that my friend suggested. It's called Nightjar. Y'all, it is so good. It's a red wine. It's a little sweet. Like, this is my new favorite wine, Nightjar. Cooper's Hawk, bomb. Is so freaking good. I don't think you can get it anywhere else but Cooper's Hawk. So if you guys have a Cooper's Hawk in your area, just go have a glass of it, and then you always have the option to buy the full bottle. Go to Cooper's Hawk, have you a glass of Nightjar. Trust me on this, sis, okay? Bomb. Hey y'all, so today is Wednesday. It is my off day and I am getting ready to go meet my friend Tamika. We're going to have lunch. I just left from getting my nails done. They're so cute. I got a different color this time. I got Leave It in Neutral by OPI. And I just told him to do one coat this time. So I don't know if I like this color or not, but I love the shape. Of course, I got the almond shape. And yeah, I did enjoy having the short nails, but I needed some length. So yeah, we're going to have some lunch. I am starving. She's actually late because she overslept, because she went home, had a bottle of the night jar, and she didn't go to sleep like 3 o'clock, and she woke up late. And now I'm sitting up here starving, okay? So yeah, I drank some of my night jar last night with Tony. It is a dessert wine, so it is a little sweet, but I like it a lot, y'all. I want to go buy another bottle, but that bottle I will only break out on, you know, when I'm feeling a little fancy, because it's a little small bottle. I don't know how many ounces it is, but it's a small bottle. So you pour, you know, half a glass and it's damn near empty. On my way to the gym. I've lost 5 pounds. Clap it up for you, girl. It's about 8 o'clock. I just left the gym. I got my little workout on for about 40 minutes. I did a short workout today. So let me see how many calories I burned. Not too bad. So today is April 29th, my son's birthday. Happy birthday, son. He turns 13 today. He is a teenager. I'm so proud of that boy. I love him so much. So I have a lot of stuff to do today off camera to get prepared for his birthday weekend. So I'll be doing a lot of running around today. Okay, y'all, so here's my nails. I didn't really show you guys how they look. Hopefully you can hear me because this is cell phone footage. But I'm on my way to Walmart, and then I'm gonna get my nails painted over because I don't really like this. So, yeah. So y'all will never believe what just happened. So y'all know I go to a different place to get my pedicure done, but while I was in there I was like, okay, well, I'm gonna go ahead and just let them change my nail polish. It's not gonna hurt anything, because the polish that I had on before, I liked it, but I just told Louis, which is my nail tech, to just do one coat, and then when I got home I didn't like it. It was just too clear for me. So I was like, okay, well, it's not gonna hurt anything to let somebody just change my nail polish, because I don't let anybody touch my nails. Just Louis, that's it. I don't bounce around like that. So the girl did a great job on my pedicure, and when it was time to do the polish, I was gonna just do my regular nude, but then I was just sitting down looking at Pinterest, and then I said, okay, well, let me try this cute little style right here. So I asked her, I showed it to the girl, I asked her if she can do it. So she was like, yeah, I could do it. It'll be $15, whatever. So we sit down and she start doing her little thing. She didn't have a steady hand. You have to have a real steady hand to do that type of nail art, and it just was a mess. And she was trying so hard, she was getting frustrated. Girl, I had polish on my neck when I got home. Don't ask me how I had polish on my neck. I had to show her the picture, so I had polish on my phone. It was just a whole mess. So I'm just like, okay, well, just do a French. Maybe it'll look cute. You know, I got a French on my toes, so maybe it'll look cute. Girl, it was a mess. So then I had to call Louis and like, listen, mind you, I just got my nails done yesterday, a full set. I had to call him and say, look, I need to come in there and let you polish my nails. It was just a mess. So Louis got me together. Thank you, Louis. I left you a nice tip. Talk to Helen. I've been in the nail place all morning. Like, that was basically like my whole day in the nail place trying to get these nails together. But I like the way my nails turned out. I should have just let him do the 2 coats yesterday because it does look pretty. So I know I look crazy, but that's okay because this portion of today's video is sponsored by Curly Me Hair. They sent over a Mongolian natural wave 13x4 frontal wig in a 26-inch, and it's 250% density. So guys, don't forget that I always have all the hair information in the description box along with the discount code SharikaB to get 10% off. So let's go and dye the hair. Okay, so I went to the store, picked up my hair dye. Y'all already know I like to use the Clairol Texture and Tone. I get the 1B Silk and Black. So I just buy 2 boxes of the dye. Okay, so I have the color on the hair, so I'm gonna just let it, you know, do its thing for a couple of hours. I just finished brushing through the unit, and this is the only shedding that I got. Hey y'all, look at this hair. This is the natural wave. I am in love. Now this is what you call fun hair, okay, because it's very flirty, it's very sexy. You know, you can do that little flip over. Like, I am in love with this. And there's something about this lace that is just like, the lace is so soft. I always get a lot of compliments about the way that I do my lace. I don't dye my lace, but on this curly unit, the lace is so soft and it just like melts into the skin. I gotta ask them about this lace, but y'all, come on now. This hair is so sexy. And I was worried when I washed it, I was worried about if the curl would come back because it got so straight when it was wet. But honey, when it dried a little bit, those curls came right back. I am in love with this. Tell me this hair not sexy. If you say this hair not sexy, you a hater. Like, come on now, sis. This is some sexy hair. Look at this. It's giving sexy. It's giving flirty. Yes, I love this. So all the information will be down in the description box below. Use my code SharikaB to get $10 off. So I always get so many questions about what I season my fish with, and it really changes. It just depends on how I'm feeling. So today I'm gonna use sea salt. This is the sea salt that I use. I'm gonna use some roasted garlic, and then I'll be using some of my new seasoning from Trader Joe's, Jika Georgian seasoning blend. So I did taste a little bit of it on my finger, and it's a little spicy. Parsley, y'all know that's just to make it look pretty. Smoked paprika and lemon pepper. So that's all I'll be using today on my salmon. So y'all know that it's Lil Tony's 13th birthday today. His brother bought him all this stuff. He definitely spoils his little brother for sure. Those are from me and Tony. And then this is just, I guess, some t-shirts or something. These are from his friends at school. I thought that was so cute. This stuff right here from his friends at school. You want to open your stuff on camera, or you want to do it privately?
I want to do it privately.
Okay. Tell them thank you for all the birthday wishes.
Thank you for all the birthday wishes, everybody.
Personal, but I ain't lying. I ain't hiding. I've been grinding, multiplying. I've been trying to get my weight up, staying prayed up, meditating and taking time.